Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here again, and on this page you'll be able to upgrade your account to include our step-by-step formula for flipping your sites for multiple six figures with a real case study included. We walk you through every step and even give you exact templates, resources, everything. This is a proven method with one of our sites selling for over $280,000, which is listed publicly for anyone to verify, and you'll see real proof revealed below as well. We'll show you exactly where you can list your sites for sale for best results. We'll show you exactly how to price your sites. We'll show you exactly what to include in your listings to get the maximum price. And on average, we get 3 to 4 times of the yearly revenue for our sites. So if you're ready to supercharge your skills by learning exactly how to flip your sites for multiple six figures at a huge limited time discount, hit the button below. And if you're still watching this video, imagine being able to make $5,000 to $15,000 per month for over 18 months and also get a huge $280,000 payday from the same site at the end of those 18 months. That's a pretty amazing deal, right? And imagine having the skills to be able to do that with any of your niche sites should you ever want to have another big payday. Heck, we even have another site up for sale right now for over $770,000. In fact, we just turned down an offer for $723,000. Talk about awesome, right? Well, that's exactly what you're going to learn by unlocking our Flipping Secrets module. We're going to show you how you can cash out of your sites for a huge payday. We know that passively making $20,000 per month is what we're all looking for. But at the same time, we know that many of you would love to get a $100,000, $200,000, or even $500,000 payday for one of your sites. If that's you, go ahead and unlock this additional module in your account today. Learn exactly how to flip your sites for multiple six figures at a huge limited time discount below.